Hey there, today I'm diving into a topic that's critical for safety managers everywhere, heat stress monitoring. You might think heat stress is just a military concern, but it affects workers in construction, manufacturing, agriculture, and even office environments with poor ventilation. So, let's talk about why monitoring heat stress is essential for everyone. First off, what is heat stress? Simply put, heat stress occurs when your body can't regulate its temperature effectively, and this can lead to serious health issues, from heat rash and cramps to heat exhaustion and even heat stroke. Heat stroke is a medical emergency where your body's cooling system shuts down, potentially leading to organ failure. Scary stuff, right? Now, who's at risk? It's not just military personnel, construction workers, firefighters, agricultural workers, warehouse employees, athletes, pretty much anyone who's exposed to high temperatures and poor ventilation. Even office workers during a heat wave can suffer from heat stress. So, if you think this doesn't apply to your workplace, think again. Alright, the £1,000,000 question, how do we prevent heat stress? The answer is monitoring. That's where wet bulb globe temperature, WBGT, monitors come in. These devices measure air temperature, humidity, and radiant heat to give you a comprehensive heat stress index. Unlike a regular thermometer, a WBGT monitor tells you the actual risk of heat stress, not just how hot it is. Let's break down how WBGT monitors work. They use three main sensors: a dry bulb sensor for air temperature, a wet bulb sensor for humidity and the cooling effect of evaporation, and a globe temperature sensor for radiant heat. These readings combine into a single WBGT index, giving you real-time heat stress levels. Some advanced models even have data logging, wireless alerts, and custom alarms to keep your team safe. So where should you place these monitors? Anywhere workers are exposed to heat risks: outdoor work sites, indoor facilities with poor ventilation, athletic fields, and firefighting staging areas. The idea is to monitor conditions in real time and adjust work schedules, enforce hydration breaks, and issue heat stress warnings before things get dangerous. Of course, monitoring is just one part of the solution. You also need to implement heat stress prevention strategies. Hydration stations are a must. Make sure everyone drinks water regularly. Schedule work-rest cycles based on WBGT readings. Provide shaded or air-conditioned break areas. Use lightweight, breathable PPE to reduce heat retention. And don't forget acclimatization plans to help workers gradually adjust to high temperatures. In conclusion, heat stress is a growing concern in workplaces worldwide. Investing in WBGT monitoring can save lives, prevent heat-related illnesses, and improve overall safety. Whether you're in construction, emergency response, athletics, or industry, keeping an eye on those heat stress levels is crucial. Thanks for tuning in. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and don't forget to subscribe for more safety insights. See you next time.